Ever feel like your wallet is a black hole for business expenses? Receipts stuffed everywhere, reports a nightmare, and reimbursements taking forever? Been there, done that. There's a better way, my friends. Enter Expensify, the expense tracking app that will turn your financial chaos into beautiful, organized bliss. And guess what? Setting it up is a breeze. So, ditch the shoebox full of crumpled receipts and the late-night scramble to compile reports. In this video, we'll walk you through setting up Expensify, step by step, so you can finally say goodbye to expense report stress. First things first, are you joining a company workspace or creating your own? If you're unsure, check with your boss or finance department. For company workspaces, you'll likely receive an invite with instructions. Today, we'll focus on creating your own personal workspace, perfect for freelancers, solopreneurs, or anyone who wants to take control of their business expenses. Let's get started. Step 1. Download the app. Head over to the App Store or Google Play and search for Expensify. Download and install the app. Step 2. Create your account. Open the app and tap Create a new account. You can sign up using your email address or phone number. Choose a strong password and hit Create Account. Step 3. Welcome to Expensify. Expensify will greet you with a quick intro. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. It's clean, intuitive, and designed for ease of use. Step 4. Meet Concierge, your expense tracking assistant. This friendly robot icon is your guide within the app. Concierge offers helpful tips and tutorials as you navigate Expensify. Feel free to tap on Concierge if you have any questions. Step 5. Add your profile details. Tap the profile icon in the top right corner and enter your name and email address. You can also add a profile picture for a personalized touch. Step 6. Connect your payment methods, optional. Expensify allows you to connect your credit cards and bank accounts for easier expense tracking and reimbursement requests. This step is optional, but it can save you time in the long run. Step 7. Explore the app. Now that you're set up, take some time to explore the app's features. The home screen displays a clear overview of your finances, including recent expenses and upcoming reimbursements. There's a dedicated section for adding new expenses, capturing receipts, and creating reports. Adding expenses is a snap. Tap the big green plus button to add a new expense. Enter the amount, merchant name, category, like travel, meals, office supplies, and date. You can even snap a picture of your receipt using the built-in camera. Expensify cleverly extracts details from the receipt, saving you time and ensuring accuracy. Review the information and hit Save. Effortless reporting. Creating reports in Expensify is just as simple. Navigate to the Reports section and choose the time frame you want to report on. Expensify automatically compiles your expenses into a professional-looking report, ready to submit to your clients or finance department. Bonus tip: expense categories. Expensify comes with predefined expense categories, but you can also create custom categories to suit your specific needs. This helps with organization and simplifies report generation. From chaos to control. With Expensify set up, you've taken a significant step towards managing your business finances more effectively. No more lost receipts, no more late nights struggling with reports. Expensify brings everything under one roof, making expense tracking a breeze. Remember, consistency is key. The more diligently you use Expensify, the more organized your finances will become. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy expense tracking.